Instead of being against your neighbor because of bad behavior, bad character, we should try to do what is right to help him improve. Instead of being against poverty. Hey, see them, what are they doing? They are lazy. It should make a tangible contribution towards this society. When we see something that needs to be improved, when we see something that needs to be removed, when we see something in our society that needs to be changed, when we see something that needs to be adjusted, we must recognize our personal responsibility to do something about it.